this is Yannick from Funlearning Peru, and today I'm going to show you 2 activities to work listening, writing, reading, and speaking comprehension with young learners. So let's start. This first activity is like the running dictation, but here I'm using surprise eggs that you can buy in bulk or simple make small papers envelopes and put the sentence or the vocabulary word that you're working on inside. This time I'm working with I like and I don't like with the vocabulary of fruits. So the kids will line up, and at the other side of the room will be a box with all the surprise eggs covered with color ribbons or color papers. Each child will run, pick an egg, open it, and take out a strip of paper with a message inside. Read it out, and the next child in the line will write the message in the whiteboard and read it too. That is why I told you at the beginning of this video that this activity would help to work listening, reading, speaking, and writing skill. And finally, after everyone has written their sentence, they can do a group reading or make corrections among themselves. Go, run, pick an egg. Okay, pick one. Very good. Open the egg. Let's see. Whoa! It's a secret to know.
I like
Pineapples.
pineapples.
I like pineapples. Very good. Pineapples. Pineapples. Okay, Ashley, pick the marker. Pick the marker, Ashley. I like pineapple. Very good. Okay, number 1. I like Very good. Can you read it, Ashley? Can you read it? ¿Puedes leerlo? I like. Very good, Ashley. Run. Pick an egg. Okay. Open the egg. Can you read it?
Okay. I don't like orange.
I don't like oranges.
I don't like oranges.
Very good, Dan. Very good, Amir. I don't like oranges. Yes.
Quiero huevos para comer. Quiero huevos para comer.
Oranges.
Ya puedo, mía.
Very good, Amir. Very good.
Okay.
Very good, Amir. Excelente. Excellent. Okay, go, Amir. Go. Run. Okay, pick an egg. Okay, open it.
¿Y por qué le clicaron en esto?
Open it. Whoa, a secret. No.
Parece un Pokémon.
Okay, let's read. I don't like apples.
Don't like apples.
Very good, Emil. Good job. I don't like apples. L. Very good. I don't like apples. Good job. Okay, go, Ashley. Go. Okay, open the green egg. Very good. Can you read it? I like strawberries.
I like strawberries.
Where are the strawberries? Ashley, where are the strawberries? Strawberries. I like strawberries. Very good, Dante. I like strawberries. Very good. Can you read it? Can you read it, Dante? I like
strawberries.
Very good. Let's read. I like watermelon. What is the watermelon? Yes, very good. I like watermelon.
Entonces vamos a reforzar esta casita.
Very good, Dana. Can you read it?
Esta casita está reforzada.
I
I
like.
like watermelon.
Excellent. Okay, let's read. I don't like coconuts. I don't like coconuts. Very good. I don't like oranges. I don't like grapes. Okay, now I like pineapple. After me. I like strawberries. I like watermelon. Very good. I don't like. I like. Very good. Good job. In this second activity, I made a spinning wheel with cardboard, and each color I placed a different fruit. Also, two faces, one representing I like and the other one representing I don't like. Here we can form sentence or make questions. Very good, very good. Okay. Okay. Whoa, which fruit? Grapes. Okay. Grapes. Can you say the sentence? Grapes, yes. I. Very good. Very good, very good, very good, Amir. Okay, yellow. Which one? This or this? Just pick one. Which one? Okay, very good. Pineapple. Pineapple. Okay. You like or don't like? Okay, entonces, say that in English. I like. Okay, say the sentence. I don't like pineapples. Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Where is it?
Manzanas.
Apple.
Apple sí me gustan.
Say that in English.
I like apple.
Very good. Strawberries. I like strawberries. Watermelon. I don't like watermelon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Emir. Happy birthday to you. Yay, everybody. A big hug for Emir. Vamos todos, un abrazo a Emir. Happy birthday.
Compañero es el mejor.
Very good.